Welcome to Ceramix Detailing. In this video I'm going to show you how to get automotive glass to a perfect streak-free finish. So before we start, just a little bit about my background. So I've been valeting cars for more years than I care to remember. I'm professionally trained by Bentley Motors in Crewe in exhibition and showroom vehicle preparation. Also some bodywork refinishing as well. I'm a leather tech, I'm a veneer tech. Part of the extensive training from Bentley, a module was on glass management and also glass correction. And it's part of that module that we're going to be discussing today. So with glass cleaning, there are basically three stages to it. One is the application of the glass cleaning product. The second stage is to take off as much of that product as possible after it's done its work. And then the third stage, and this is by far the most important and where a lot of people go wrong, is we then need to polish the glass to get that streak-free finish. So when we look at a standard microfiber cloth, there are two sides to this cloth. One is a cleaning side, which is this fluffy side of the cloth. And the other side is the polishing side. And this is a much smoother, more dense side to the cloth. And the third stage of glass cleaning, which is the polishing side, this is the side that we need to use. Polishing the cloth is so important that we actually use products from a company called Unger, who specialise in glass cleaning. And this is their Unger Ninja cloth. So these squares are actually quite a rough finish, and these are for getting a lot of contaminants like bird droppings off the glass. But this is a very fine mesh polishing cloth. And this just demonstrates, I hope, that the polishing part of the cleaning process of glass is so important that Unger actually make a specialist cloth for doing that. But you don't need this. You can get some really good results with this standard microfiber cloth. So we've got a family car to demonstrate on. It's an Audi S4 Avant. It's one of my twins' cars. It hasn't been valeted in quite a while, so I thought it'd be great to use that car. So we're going to go outside now and I'll show you the techniques for getting a streak-free finish on the glass. So as I mentioned, the first job is to apply the glass cleaner to the glass. So I've got our microfiber. This is actually a microfiber that's been used before, but it's been washed, so it's clean. You don't have to have a brand new microfiber to do this first stage. I folded it into four, and it's the fluffy side out. Take our glass cleaner, about 4 or 5 sprays. Always spray any chemical outside of the vehicle. That's really important. If you spray either onto the surface in the vehicle, or you spray onto the cloth and you're inside the vehicle, you will get overspray. You won't be able to see it until it dries, and if you're a valeter, then it'll be the customer that sees it first and it looks horrendous, or if it's your own car, you will notice it. So as a rule of thumb, always spray any chemicals outside of the vehicle. So we've got 4 or 5 sprays of the solution, and we're just going to spread it all over the part of the glass that we're cleaning. If you've got a really deep, especially on the windscreen, if you've got a really deep windscreen like on a Ford Transit van or something like that, and you're finding it difficult to get into the corners of the glass, and obviously it's very important that you do the edges and into the corners, then one technique you can use is fold it into 4 like that. You place point to point along your arm, fold the other 2 corners in and catch hold of them with your thumb. So you've basically got that. And then this is a far less stressful position to be in, to get right into those corners of the windscreen. So that's a good tip if you're struggling to get your hand in, especially on the windscreen. Point to point, fold it over, catch hold of the other 2 corners, and then you can use that. Once I spread the glass cleaner onto the glass, we leave it for a minute or 2 minutes just to do its job. Obviously we're doing this out of direct sunlight. I'll go through in another video how to clean a windscreen if it's a hot day, the glass is hot and you're in direct sunlight. There is a technique for doing it, but I'll leave that for another video. Okay, so once we've allowed the glass cleaner to do its job, and that's really important as well. I see a lot of people and even valeters who will put glass cleaner onto the glass and then take it off straight away. It's not a miracle product, it has to do its job. And what we'll do as valeters is probably do the passenger side of the windscreen. We'll apply the glass cleaner, we'll then move on to the passenger side window, and then that gives us enough time then when we go back to take the excess glass cleaner off, and again, a minute, 2 minutes, it's done its job. That's all it needs. So once we've applied the glass cleaner and it's done its job, the next thing to do is we just turn the cloth over, still on the fluffy side, where we use a clean part of this cloth. Obviously this cloth has been used in the past, but it is clean, it has been washed. So we've used this side to apply the glass cleaner. We now use this one to take off any excess. And it's important that we take off any excess glass cleaner before we go through the polishing stage. So again, same technique as before, just taking it off. If we've got a deep windscreen and we're finding it difficult to actually get in with your palm up, point to point, grab hold of those points and go in, and literally all we're doing is just taking off the excess. And then once we've taken off the excess, we then move to our new microfiber, or in our case, being professional valeters, we move to our Unger polishing cloth. Again, we fold this into 4, and we're now using this smooth side, or the dense side of the microfiber cloth. And the technique for this, the polishing side, as I've said before, is really important. We're going to do what's called a hatch pattern. So this is what we would do as well if we were applying a ceramic coating or a wax coating to the outside of the vehicle. And what that basically means is that we'll go vertical, and the passes we make, we overlap 50%. So again, it's exactly the same as applying a coating to the outside of the bodywork. So we'll go in vertical stripes, and once we've done that, we'll go horizontal, the same technique, and then the last thing we'll do is go all the way around the edge, and we'll probably do that twice. And that's the basic technique for getting streak-free clean glass. But that's it for this video of basic glass cleaning. Please subscribe to the channel, and as usual, if you've enjoyed this particular video, hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching.